What's up? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I'm going to keep it super fast and super short. So if you want to learn how to make YouTube thumbnails with the quickness, like within a few minutes time, this is the video you want to see. Alright, so we're on Canva. Go ahead and start out on Canva, and you're going to look over here to Canva AI. Click on Canva AI. Smash that subscribe button down below too. I'm trying to get this channel going, getting more into the tech stuff. So if you're into things like vibe coding and HTML and web development, digital advertising, and all that tech stuff, hit the subscribe button. Check out some more of my videos. All right, so we're in Canva. We are in Canva AI. It's super easy, guys. Just type in make a YouTube thumbnail graphic design about how to make the best thumbnails with Canva AI. We're at 1 minute and 16 seconds. Create stunning thumbnails with Canva AI tools. Boom. Bunch of them. I don't see any that really jump off the channel, so we're going to do more designs. We'll try it again. Roll the dice again, right? So Canva. We'll just, for time's sake, we'll go with this one. Now, once we click on this thumbnail, say we like this one, we're just going to go up here to use Canva Editor. We're at 2 minutes. Thumbnail Mastery Channel. We're just going to call it Nick's Tech Channel. Tech Tutorials. So I can change this to anything. I can change the fonts or the size, the color, that sort of thing. How to make stunning thumbnails with Canva AI. I'm going to change stunning to awesome, just because I'm Gen X and we use awesome way too much. So I'm going to use awesome for the Gen X people. Next, make sure I spelled everything correctly. Next Tech Tutorials. Okay, now we're going to go to share. Boom, boom. Download. Not using PNG. I'm going to save this in JPEG. They're smaller files, and we're just using it as a thumbnail. Boom, there we go. Thumbnail in 3 minutes using Canva. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.